Hello everyone, I'm back with another short video answering questions, and today's topic is the footwork in Broader Hit Back by ENHYPEN. I'm doing this video because firstly, it is a very difficult move, and secondly, this move is very common in Kpop Boy Group dance. So it's good to know it even if you're not doing this specific song. Let's get started right away. Now after this jump, the first move is to step on our right toe and lift up our right heel. It is important to have the heel up because the stepping down move helps us to initiate a force to close our legs, through which you can see here we will end up with this leg in position. And it's the same on the opposite side. You start the move with left heel up and then you repeat the stepping down process. The movement is that simple, and to look good and effortless, we will have to practice this specific move as well as your body coordination. Now let me go through these 2 8 counts again, slowly with counts. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and. Okay, now let's talk about Jungwon centered Dancebreak. The footwork is exactly the same. The only difference is that center had some hand moves. I would suggest that you take your time and only add the hand moves after you're very comfortable with the footwork. And for the hand moves, it's just flipping out, going up and going down with your finger. Now I want to focus on this hip move a little bit because it's hard to address this through slow video only. Although we are rotating our hip here, we're actually moving our pelvis and pushing our pelvis outwards, not our hip at the back, right? So we will finish a whole round with our pelvis and then go down with our body to do the movement afterwards. 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, and. Before I finish, I just want to address inquiries about the explanation video on Chick Chick Boom. As much as I'd love to upload it right now, the sound quality is just too bad and the microphone I ordered is still not here. So I have to wait until it arrives and refilm the whole thing, which is like 40 minutes or so. I'm sorry about the delay, but like I said before, my channel does not focus on explanation videos for specific dance or specific song because I teach them in studios and it's supposed to be paid content. But I will keep uploading slow tutorials for songs I like and short explanation videos like this to help you learn the dance. And I really hope you guys find them equally helpful. Okay, that's all for today's video. I'll see you next time.